A typical direct expansion refrigeration plant is shown. The refrigeration system maintains the temperatures of meat room, vegetable room, and fish room. The evaporator extracts the heat from the air inside the rooms. The compressor draws low-pressure refrigerant vapor and delivers the high-pressure refrigerant vapor through an oil separator to the condenser. The condenser liquefies the refrigerant. The liquid refrigerant from the condenser passes through the master solenoid, filter dryer, solenoid valve, and thermostatic expansion valve to the evaporator. Before starting the refrigeration system, carry out few checks. Check the oil level in the crankcase of the compressor. Insufficient oil wears down the components. In extreme cases, it may lead to seizure of the compressor. Check whether the cooling water inlet and outlet to the condenser are open. Insufficient flow of cooling water results in improper condensation, which in turn increases the compressor discharge side pressure. Open the compressor outlet valve, condenser inlet valve, receiver outlet valve, filter dryer inlet, and outlet valves. Check whether the power supply is available to the compressor motor. Ensure that the compressor is in manual mode. Open the compressor inlet valve by half a turn and start the compressor. Open the compressor inlet valve slowly to fully open position. Change the operation of the compressor to automatic mode. Check the amperage of the compressor motor. Check the compressor suction, discharge, and oil pressure. Inspect the compressor unit, check for any abnormality and vibration. Check the compressor oil level and check whether the oil returns from the oil separator to the crankcase by feeling the oil return pipeline. Check the temperatures of meat room, vegetable room, and fish room. As the temperature of each room reaches the set value, its solenoid stops the flow of the liquid refrigerant to that room. When solenoids of all compartments are shut, the pressure drop in the compressor suction stops the compressor through low-pressure cutout. The compressor cuts in when the room temperature drops. To shut down for prolonged period, close the condenser liquid receiver outlet valve. The liquid refrigerant is collected inside the condenser receiver, and the compressor stops due to low pressure. Shut the refrigerant line valves. Shut the condenser cooling water inlet and outlet valves. Switch off the power supply.
Specification.